Alright, welcome to an episode of Viperghini TV, and today we're busting Pete's car out of jail. Yes, Pete's car has been in storage since I think November. So we arrived at Pete's storage, the impound yard. Pete's showing off his little arm here.
Hey, how's it going?
What are you doing, Pete?
You finally got here.
I was waiting for you. When's the last time you drove it?
I don't know if it was October or November.
Yeah?
When I stored it.
Oh.
I can't remember now. Whenever it was too long ago.
Blocked by a couple things. We're good though. Oh, that looks pretty, Pete.
Pretty?
Did you forget the key, Pete?
Now you got it.
Or is your battery dead?
I hope not.
Hit the unlock buttons?
So far, nothing.
Oh, power! Where's your key fob? Pete, where's the key fob? Really? Yeah. Car has power.
You just put a brand new friggin' battery in.
Oh, you put a new battery in this thing?
Yeah.
Alright, so we have to break into Pete's car. We have the key thing in the back of it. Pete put a new battery in his remote control, but he put the battery in upside down. So we'll just try to take care of that. Hopefully that's the problem. You did change the battery, Pete? You just put it in backwards.
I don't know how that happened.
What did you do to the sides? Did you fix the sides like I told you to?
Oh, they're glued.
Alright.
They're not coming off. That's it.
Alright, so last year, what was it? October or September we put this wing on, isn't it?
Yeah, August or September, yeah, something like that. We got more work to do.
What do you mean? What more work? What'd you buy now?
I got an email the other day. All that nice carbon fiber stuff I ordered.
Yeah.
It's coming next week.
What'd you buy anyways?
Pretty well everything you can get
For the dash?
for the inside.
Oh, we got more vlogs for Pete. I thought we were getting you a Huracan or something.
We're working on it. We're working. Done.
You have to get off that wallet. That wallet's stuck underneath you between your ass and the chair.
Oh, see, it's right here. Look at that. See? So I haven't had a cigar for 2 months.
Oh yeah?
No cigars.
Holy shit.
Yeah. 2 months today.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Good for you.
I gotta get you off those goddamn those sweet drinks
ice caps?
Oh,
Yeah,
the ice caps.
Hey, take it easy, okay?
Pete drinks one of those, he does wheelies down the road.
Well, you're not going to carry me over and sit me in the car?
I'll carry you alright. Crawl in through the back.
You're a fireman, you should be able to carry me.
Yeah. I'll give you a quick boot in the ass, that's what I will do for you. Okay, so we got Pete's wing on, we got the car, I hope it's gonna start. So this is actually a freezing cold startup. I think we call them cold starts.
Cold
They
start.
bored the shit out of me online, but for Pete's sake, you know, it's gotta be a little exciting for Pete. How the you want me to get in this thing? There's a lot more room on this side than that side. Oh yeah. Jesus, Pete.
Oh, bonking his head.
What a bunch of wine, eh?
Alright. Okay. Okay.
Need any help?
No, I'm gassed now.
You look better in a vet.
Oh, I know I look better in a vet. I need a mustache like you and I'd look really good. I look like Tom Selleck.
That would be perfect.
I'll be giving up mustache rides just like you did. So Pete's a happy guy. First time in 2021 getting in his new, or not, well, this is kind of a new Corvette. This 2012 Corvette, right, Pete?
Yep.
Yeah.
2012, yeah.
Yeah.
Had about 5 years.
Woo! Oh, who's that guy with the car?
Cool, eh?
I had this exact song going in the car. So I don't know if you can hear because Jesse has that cranked right now, but we're here at Jesse's. We're going to show you what Jesse did to his garage. It's actually pretty awesome. Jesse wants to show us his new garage update. He actually did a lot of work in here. The lights you can see are going with the beat of the Bee Gees right now, and you can sort of see it kind of going, but it's not dark, so it's not the greatest. But Jesse, go ahead and show us what we did to our garage.
Oh, well, we hid the vacuum over here. We did hinge stairs, put
Alright.
subwoofer under there.
Yeah, the LED lights are just cool.
they're cool.
They actually go with the beat, or do they just
They go
blink
with
in?
the beat. Yeah, you gotta shut the lights off.
Put the Bee Gees back on. Okay, let's do it.
Yeah.
We'll shut the garage doors. There we go. Pete, start doing wheelies. All right, so that's pretty good. We're actually going to remake that. So Pete's going to be the guy in the blue pants. Jesse and I will be in the white pants. And we're going to remake this video. So we decided to get out on a cruise. Jesse wants to go underneath a tunnel to try out and listen to his new straight pipe catback exhaust. Oh, that sounds good. So we're headed out for a tunnel blast and a bit of a car cruise. Jesse really wants to see or hear how his exhaust sounds going through a tunnel. I just did a couple clips of his car going down the road. I'm not sure how they sounded, but if they're cool, they're gonna make this video. If not, That was actually really, really loud. So the thing with donuts, like the Stradman says, you do them and then you get the hell out of there. All right, so we're gonna call it a day here because it's starting to rain and Pete's going home. Pete, you happy to have your car?
Hey, I gotta thank Mike for gaining for getting my car out on just in time.
You're damn right, Pete. Anyways, we're gonna end the vlog here. Comment below what your favorite part is. You happy to see Pete back? Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.